Prove the following identities. Question number 1, cot square theta minus 1 by sin square theta is equal to minus 1. This question has come from CBSE in the year 1995. So let us solve it. Question number 1, this is the answer. Cot square theta minus 1 by sin square theta is equal to cot square theta minus sin square theta 1 by sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So if you take common minus 1, then cosec square theta minus cot square theta. We know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, that is minus 1. Okay, first proved. Very easy sum. Question number 2, cosec square theta into 1 plus tan square theta, left hand side, is equal to cosec square theta cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta is equal to cos theta into sec theta whole square. We know that cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, that is 1 square is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side root. So very easy sum. Next sum, question number 3, 1 plus cot square theta into sin square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? Cosec square theta, we know that, into sin square theta is equal to cosec theta into sin theta whole square. We know that cosec theta into sin theta is equal to 1 square, that is 1. Proved. Question number 4, sec square theta cosec square theta minus 1 into tan square theta, you have to prove is equal to 1. So cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta into tan square theta, or cot theta into tan theta whole square. Cot square theta or cot theta whole square same, tan theta whole square is same, sin theta whole square is same, sin square theta and sin theta whole square and sin theta is equal to same. So cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Tan square theta or tan theta whole square same. Question number 5, 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, we know it. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square theta, or cos theta into sec theta whole square. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, that is 1 square is equal to 1. Okay, that is right hand side proved. Question number 6, 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1, you have to prove is equal to, this is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square into 1 plus tan square theta, or 1 minus 1 square means 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta is equal to cos theta into sec theta whole square. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1 square is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side proved. This question has come in from CBSE in year 1996. Very easy sum. Okay. So question number 7. Sec a into 1 plus sin a into sec a minus tan a is equal to, you have to prove 1. This question has come in the year 1990 from CBSE. Okay, let us solve it. Answer. So left hand side is equal to what? Left hand side is equal to sec a into 1 plus sin a into sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. First you have to break in sin and cos. Tan a is equal to sin a by cos a. So sec a is equal to 1 by cos a into 1 plus sin a into cos a will be LCM 1 minus sin a, or this cos a into cos a, cos square a, and a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, is equal to 1 minus sin square theta a by cos square a, is equal to 1 minus cos sin square a is equal to cos square a by cos square. So this is equal to cancel out 1. Proved. Right hand side proved. Very easy sum. With next sum. Question number 8. Sin theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. You have to prove. This question has come in the year 1996 from CBSE. So left hand side is equal to what? Left hand side is equal to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. So now multiplying both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta. So sin theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to, this is your a minus b, this is a plus b, this is a square minus b square, that is sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. The numerator will be as usual. Okay, that is 1 minus sin cos square theta is equal to sin square theta into sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So this sin, this square will be cancelled out, is equal to 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Proof. Question number 9. 1 plus sin theta whole square plus 1 minus sin theta whole square by 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus sin square theta by 1 minus sin square theta. You have to prove. This question has come from CBSE in the year 1993. So let us solve it. So left hand side is equal to what? Is equal to 1 plus sin square theta, that is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab, 2ab, 2a means 1, b means sin theta, plus b square means sin square theta, plus 1 minus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta by 2 cos square theta as usual. That a plus b, you have to break a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will come out 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta will be cancel out. So 1 1 2 plus sin square theta 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta is equal to, taking common 2, 1 plus sin square theta by 2 into cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 2 cancel out, that is equal to right hand side. Proved. Very easy question. This question has come from CBSE in the year 93. Question number 10. 1 by sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. You have to prove. This question has come in the year 1992 from CBSE. So let us solve it. Here left hand side is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. 1 by sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta plus tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 by cos theta will be LCM cos theta 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 means 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 into cos will be numerator and 1 plus sin will be denominator. So now rationalizing that means 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, multiplying both numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta cos theta into 1 minus sin theta, multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta. So this is your a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square into cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus 1 square means 1 minus cos sin square theta is equal to cos square theta into cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So cos square cos cancel out is equal to 1 minus sin theta by cos theta is equal to right hand side. Proved. Okay, next question. Question number 11. Prove that tan theta plus sin theta by tan theta minus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1. So this question has come from CBSE in the year 1996. So let us solve it. The left hand side is equal to tan theta plus sin theta by tan theta minus sin theta. So dividing numerator and denominator by sin theta, tan theta by sin theta plus sin theta by sin theta and tan theta by sin theta minus sin theta by sin theta is equal to tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and again sin theta plus sin theta by sin theta is equal to 1, again tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta by sin theta minus sin theta by cos theta into sin theta or minus sin theta is equal to sin cancel out. So 1 by cos theta plus 1, that is sin cancel out, 1 by cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1 is equal to right hand side. Proved. So next sum. Question number 12. This is 12. Cos A by 1 minus tan A minus sin square A by cos A minus sin A is equal to cos A plus sin A. You have to prove. This question has come in the year 1990 from CBSE. So let us solve it. So left hand side is equal to cos A by 1 minus tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Since right hand side there are cos A and sin A, so you have to break tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. We know that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A minus sin square A by cos A minus sin is equal to cos A. LCM will be cos A. So cos A minus sin A minus sin square A by cos A minus sin A is equal to cos A by 1 into cos A by cos A minus sin A minus sin square A by cos A minus sin. So LCM will be cos A minus sin and cos square A minus sin square A is equal to this A plus B into A minus A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B by cos A minus sin. So cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A cancel out. So answer will be cos A plus sin A is equal to right hand side root. So next sum.